Hey guys, welcome. Good day. Good day. Yes, so I guess I'm feeling like I found my calling, like why I'm here. And some of you may think, well, I thought you already knew that, you're an ET channel or something, but I'd never really fully identified it. And perhaps it can still be refined, but I feel I'm starting to like nail on the head exactly what my calling is. And I didn't even realize before that it was really possible to refine it in such a way. I just thought it was sort of ever changing, ever evolving, ever being guided by a higher self and our excitements, which way to turn. But but in a lot of the message I brought through, I always talked about it as being very specific. And it is extremely specific in a sense, although it can be very broad and encompassing in its expression. Because it's like, the way I've seen it now is that we're all here to bring a specific frequency, like our core signature vibration, as Bashar would say, like what it actually is the essence of who we are and our calling, our excitement. Our highest excitement is our core signature vibration, and it's a specific frequency. And in me, it's like expressing in the word Trinity, which in a way is an expression of the word unity. It's like unity. I'm sensing into the idea that my calling is people experiencing unity consciousness, but I prefer the word Trinity consciousness, because it points to the idea of balance and paradox and unity being a third state, being a Trinity state of integration of both the dark and the light at the point of paradox, which I've also seen is perhaps the zero point of fabled zero-point energy devices and free energy. How the point of paradox and unity and balance and harmony, the Trinity point of acceptance of both polarized sides, dark and light, into one state of unity, creates can create an over-unity device. Nice segue. And now I've lost myself. By tapping like this, the enlightened state, the point, the Trinity point, the point of paradox, the point of self-realization, of unity consciousness, of infinite dissolution into the one infinite creator, above all and in all and as all and before all and after all and all. This point is the zero point, and or perhaps it's somehow a fluctuation between this and the absolute, which seems to be like the anti, like not in a, well, it is the antimatter. The absolute is like the unmanifest reality, like the infinite unmanifest reality that must exist to mirror the infinite manifest reality. And so perhaps there's some sort of fluctuation between the two that accesses the zero point, or perhaps it's a fluctuation between I don't know. I had some like weird vision earlier, like the dark and the light unify to create the unity points, which is the zero point, the paradox point, the balance point, which is the Trinity point. But is there a layer between the Trinity point and the absolute? Because somehow it seems to be a fluctuation. I know I'm rambling, guys, so sorry if you've lost the track because you came to this video for a different purpose. But those science tech guys out there, perhaps yeah, maybe we'll get onto this in another video because I've lost my track. So yeah, and we're getting a bit long. So yeah, 100 videos a day, Trinity, unity consciousness, infinite. There's a lot coming. This is what I want to talk about. There's a new project birthing that is around all this, so we'll get to that soon. Anyway, or shall I quickly share a bit? Yeah, a lot with this realization that I've had of Trinity consciousness. I'm putting together something's birthing around with me channeling Ra. At the minute it's called the Trinity project. A bit weird because it's named, because I've named myself Trinity, and now I'm naming a project after myself, but who knows. It doesn't feel egotistical at the minute because I don't feel that identified with the name Trinity, I guess, yet, so maybe I should just do it now. And the point is, though, that I'm creating this Trinity project, and it seems to be connected with Ra, and I'm a little bit nervous about it because it's like, oh my god, Ra, because I seem to have had this contact experience with Ra. It all seems to be very positive and of the light, so maybe I should just go with it and trust. And see where it goes. So yeah, so a lot of this stuff I'm going to be talking about in these 100-day videos, it's going to be related to this project that's coming out. So keep your eyes peeled, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.